Merry Christmas, ladies! It is Christmas morning and I am getting ready to just go and have a feast with my family, and I've got a pretty dress on and I'm sure you're all doing the same. So this is how I am going to be wearing my Christmas Day lunch makeup. So first of all, I've started off with our Perle Glow and Liquid Sunshine mixed together and applied as my base. And then I've got my Golden Glow that I'm just going to pat over the face on top of that, and basically just then blend that down to the décolletage. This is just going to put that healthy glow to the skin and give a really beautiful radiant complexion. And then I'm going to just put a touch of concealer underneath my eyes and then just use a brush to blend that in with. And once that's all blended, I will then grab a little bit of our Trini London eyeshadow there, which is a beautiful, nice bronze color. I just find this gives a really soft, little bit of definition to the eyes, but nothing too dramatic. And then just giving a dust of powder. Christmas Day can get pretty hot, so it just gives that little bit of a veil and a seal for anything that I've got on underneath. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of blush on. This is just a cream blush. Don't know if you saw that butterfly then. And then I'm going to go in just a touch of the brows. This is a microblade brow pencil that I've got at the moment, which is pretty cool. And a little bit of illuminator, of course, just to give a little bit of a sparkle on the cheeks and the nose because, hey, it's Christmas. And then some mascara. And I will be doing red lips for Christmas like I always do. I love wearing red on Christmas Day. And so that's with a red lip liner and the Sunny Red Lip Glow. And that is it. Merry Christmas, beautifuls.